Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again, guys. We came back in another video. And as you see here, guys, what the Bitcoin doing here, as I tell it to you yesterday, is going to stay sideways here for some time. It zoomed it a little bit for the picture to be more clear to you. Yesterday, as you see, it came here, that big pin bar, that one. Then I tell you yesterday, it's going to stay here sideways in that zone here. So now what should you do? There is nothing, guys. Today is Saturday and Sunday. There is no volume. I tell you those things thousands of times. I tell you in Saturday and Sunday, there is no volume. And here, our price action, it's still the same. Nothing was changed. As you see it here, you still have here that triangle, guys. The market doesn't break up or down. It doesn't come here breaking, or doesn't come down and break in. So also we still here in a sideways market, guys. There is nothing confirmed yet. So I'm going to come back to you by night to show you when the daily candle finishes. And I don't think it's going to finish bigger. It's going to stay here in the range of that previous daily candle here. I think everything is too clear, guys, here. By the way, you watching me now, are you not yet subscriber? Yes, I'm talking to you watching me. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Also, every day, guys, we put in 2 videos. Every day, 2 videos. So like that, you're going to be updated what the Bitcoin doing right now. And believe me, if you follow only the Bitcoin, forget about the rest cryptocurrencies, because all of them, they follow Bitcoin, guys. You done it? It's very simple. A red button down, click at it. You're going to become subscriber. Next to it, a bell, turn it to all. So like that, you're going to become subscriber to our channel, or you can join our Telegram channel. The link of our Telegram channel is in the first comment. So like that, when we put in something new, you're going to be notified very quick compared to here in YouTube, guys. You done it? Welcome to the family. Now let's go into see our other indicators, guys. What the same for the picture to be more clear to you. The one here, guys, as you see it came till here, and now it's showing it going down. But as you see, it's still here. There is no volume here to break up or to break down. So let's wait and what's going to come, guys. And there is some news. I don't want to say it now till the weekly started. Then I'm going to tell it to you. Maybe it's going to change everything, guys. So let's wait in the coming week. Then we're going to update you guys about the fundamental analysis. Till now, there is nothing because Saturday and Sunday, as you know, there is no news. So here, as you see it, guys, there is nothing new here in the daily. In the daily, we just need to wait in. And as I tell it to you before, collecting cash, guys. Collecting cash. You are very, very, very close, but not yet, guys. Collecting cash. Tell is it the right moment? And I'm going to tell it to you here in the channel. That way, I told if you are not subscriber, make sure to subscribe to our channel, guys. It's very simple, guys. Down a red button, click at it, next to it a bell, turn it to also. Like that, when we put in something new, you're going to be notified. Let's see our other indicator, guys, what it's saying for picture to be more clear to you. The one here, if you remember what else we said about it, we got here a divergence like that. We got another one here. We said those things thousands of times, guys. And we said we got a very stronger supply and demand zone. We are in it. And that one, the last defense for us from 10K, guys. If we break in that one, we're going to go to 10K. Remember my wall. If we break in that wall here, we're going to go to 10K, guys. So till now, there is no buying, guys. We need to still waiting what is going to happen, guys. That's it. And the price action, as I have shown it to you, is that one. If it doesn't get in broke, guys, that one, the triangle also we have here, we are not going to enter. It needs to break here. If it doesn't break here, we are not going to enter, guys. Remember my word? By the way, I know you are a subscriber. Do you smash the like button, my friend? Go ahead and do it. Helping us. Smashing the like button, writing down a comment, helping us, guys. You know that channel without you guys, it's not growing up. You done it? Thank you very, very, very much, my friend. Let's go now to see what the Bitcoin doing right now in the 4 hours, guys, for the picture to be more clear to you. Here in the 4 hours, guys, the last video, what else we said? Not the last video, the last videos, let's make it like that. We said, the last video, guys, we said we got here a channel like that. When it gets broken here, also we enter. The Bitcoin, it moved till here. Now it came down here. Look at that where we are. And also we set the stop loss of us. It needs to be down in that candle. That one, guys. Yes or no? It zoom it a little bit for the pictures to be more clear to you guys. Also the stop loss, we said we're going to put it here in that place. Look at the Bitcoin here. What it's showing here in that zone. It's showing a rejection from down. It give you here those pin bars, guys. Yes or no? Now what's going to happen? I don't know. Maybe it's going from here to go back up, but that one is going to happen till Monday, like that, to go back to that place here. Then after that, we're going to find another short opportunity. But till now, us we still here stuck, guys, because here, as you remember, us we got a very stronger supply and demand zone, guys, like that. Look where I started from here and here and here. As you see the Bitcoin here in that place, it's showing there a rejection, but there is no volume to push higher. Because Saturday and Sunday there is no volume, guys. So now what should you do? Stop loss of you put it down here. That candle, that one, the green one, that one will break. You can not in the lower of it, a little bit far away from it here, and you put your stop loss, guys. If the Bitcoin fall down and hit for the stop loss, that trading, if from here we go back higher, you get the profit. Everything is too clear, guys, here. And what I got me in my chart, let me show it to you. As you see it, guys, we got here the top of that channel. Me, I think it's going to break it, but it being a fake breakout. And now we go back inside, as you see it. So there is nothing new here. And I tell you in the last video, it might is going to give us here a cup and handle like that, but it's not yet, guys. It's left for it a lot to move higher till here. So it's left for, it's still very early for us to say a cup and handle. Everything is too clear here, guys. And our friend, look at it here. The 200 moving average, guys. What did I told you here? Look at it. And look here in that zone, what it started doing. It started going down, guys. Yes or no? And what did I told you? I told you the market structure, it's working like that. Downtrend, sideways, or resting, or whatever, name it. Then after that, down or going up, guys. Now here, in that zone, where we be in here, it's being a resting. Now, either to continue down, or from here is going to go back higher, guys. Everything is too clear, guys, here. Now let's go into see our other indicator, guys, what it's saying for pictures to be more clear to you. That one, guys, what it's telling us, the last video used to be here, in that place. Which I told you, it's breaking down. Yes or no? Now, what it's showing you there, guys, look with me. Look with me here. What it's showing you. Where is it now, guys? Look at it. It's breaking down. Yes or no? Should you close that buy? No, my friend. You need to wait in either from here to go back up, because it's showing here there is no volume, guys. From here to go back up, or from here to fall down, guys. If it's hitting for you the stop loss, guys, that trading, that a part of trading. So now who controlling is the bears, guys. The bears who controlling the market. There is no bulls. The bulls, they can't hold above that level here we have here in the middle. That means the bulls, they are not powerful. But the bears, they are very, 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 very powerful and still very powerful, guys. Everything is too clear, guys, here. Now let's go into see our other indicator, what it's saying for pictures to be more clear to you, guys. By the way, I know you don't smash the like button. Go ahead and do it, helping us, guys. Smashing the like button. You know that channel without you guys is not growing up. So please smashing the like button, writing down a comment for us, helping us, guys, please. You done it? Thank you very, very, very much, my friend, and I appreciate all the support I get from you guys. Thank you to all of you guys. Now let's go into see our other indicator, what it's saying, guys. That one, guys, as you remember, from here, we used to have here, we are at the oversold area, yes or no? And we said here, a channel like that. When it's breaking here, in that place, also we enter long. Stop loss of us, we need to put it here. But me, I told you to move it a little bit down, up, because that one is showing it's falling down, yes or no? And where you are here, you are at that middle, guys. And here, that level here where you are, if you bring like that, a line like that, what you seeing, guys? Like that. What you see? That level is the same like that one. Yes or no? So now, from here, it might that one just arrest, and then we're going to continue to upward, guys, to here, to the overbought. Or from here, it's going to come down to the oversold area. Then our stop loss is going to be hit, but it's okay, guys. That trading. Also, we enter a lot of interest. From here, we enter short till down here, guys. We take all that profit. We enter from here long till here. Tell that place. All those ones, you can win 100%, guys. There is sometimes you winning, sometimes you're losing. We enter here. All those ones, they stay in the channel, guys. We enter here till here. We enter from here, from that candle, exactly that one. Me remember all those ones, because all those ones are entering them, guys. Now, as I tell you, either from here, from that level where we are, is going to go higher, and we're going to take the profit, or from that level where we are, is going to go back down to the oversold and it's going to hit for us the stop loss, guys. Not a part of trading, guys. And I'm going to come to update you guys. So if you are not subscriber, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. You done it? Welcome to the family, my friend. Now let's go into 30 minutes to see what the Bitcoin doing right now in 30 minutes, guys. Here we are, guys, in 30 minutes, and in 30 minutes, look what we have here. Last video we used to be here and we used to be here at the oversold. Now look what the Bitcoin tried to give you here in 30 minutes, guys. Try to give you there a W or a flag. Look at it like that. You can even draw like that a flag as you see it. A flag, you came from higher here to here, guys. Yes or no? Now if it came and breaking higher here and breaking the 200 moving average, is going to go higher, guys, till here. If it came down and breaking for us lower, we are going to go till down here. It's very simple, guys. Just a simple analysis. Look what it's telling us. If Bitcoin breaking that flag here, is going to go till here. If it's breaking down here, it's going to go till the last low where we reached before. Yes or no? And what here the 200 moving average telling you guys here? Look at it. It's resting here in 30 minutes. It looks very clear that things me I'm telling you. Look at it. Now we are resting here. Now we're going to see if we're going to break down or we break up, guys. Everything is too clear, guys, here. Let's see our other indicator, guys, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you. Our indicator, what it's saying, guys. We are here at the oversold area, as you see it. Level, you are in a very stronger level. Look with me here. What you seeing, guys, here? Are in a very stronger level. You see where I started from here. And you are in it. Price action, what you got? You got here the W here, guys. If it came and breaking for you the last high, which is here, the one here, you enter long, take profit. It needs to be here at the last peak, guys. So here in 30 minutes, it's showing there is a reverse coming, guys. We don't know when, maybe tomorrow, maybe Monday. And me, I think 100% is going to be Monday. Everything is too clear, guys, here. So that's it for today's video, guys. See you in the daily candle finish it, guys. Bye for now.